Yes, AI is starting to replace jobs.
AI could wipe out
a quieter revolution.
This is a conversation on everybody's mind.
It's going to really sort of disrupt.
I'm tired of this. This is useless. They are all promising to you that AI is going to eliminate all finance jobs, automate everything, and they are saying this since 5 years. But they don't show you anything. What we need is concrete examples that we can implement now. I'm going to show you 3 concrete examples, and you will see that you can create dashboards, automate Excel, and improve your board reviews in just a few minutes thanks to these use cases. Now let's get to real work. Imagine this. Your sales and marketing are asking you to create a pricing model to see the impact on pricing changes. Building this in Excel might take you a few hours, but with AI and especially the Excel agent mode, you can build this model in a few minutes. Let me show you how. Let's go inside Excel agent mode. Really important, you will prompt it like you explain the task to a junior member of your team. This is what I'm going to write inside. Build me a pricing model for our products. We have 2 plans. There, describe the plans, the pricing, the current amount of customers, how you grow per month. So we have the standard and the premium plan. And then we are going to ask something a bit more complex. We are going to add elasticity. So for this, I am asking the model to build an elasticity which will change the demand when we change the price. And really important, ask to make all the assumptions variable. And then we add the period. We want it to be built for the next 12 months. And cherry on the cake, if like me, you like graphs, you can ask to build graphs for you. So I'm asking, make sure to build the most relevant graphs below the model. And then we press enter. And after a few minutes, see how Excel agent mode is building the model with formulas, with assumptions, with the graph, just for us. And of course now, don't take the model without verifying it. It's like taking the work of your junior. You review it, you change it, or you coach your junior, here the Excel agent mode, and you ask for some changes. See how fast it was? How pretty it is? Can you do that in 5 minutes? So this is how AI today help us in finance, and not like all of the big 4 or big consulting companies are pretending that AI is automating everything. No, AI is helping you on concrete tasks today and without having to buy any new tools or to get consultants to help you. Do you know that the average manager attends 564 meetings in a year? This is 70 days spent on meetings. Do you think us in finance, we are using all of the insights from these meetings? So this is another practical tip for you. You can create for yourself an AI assistant that will take any transcript and transform it into your financial review narratives in minutes. You can build this assistant in ChatGPT with custom GPTs, with Gemini with Gem, or with Copilot Agent. In our case, I will show you how it works with a Copilot agent. So in Copilot, I will click on all agents, and here I have this agent, Financial Review Extractor, which I built myself. This is the transcript that we will use to extract insights for our next financial review. So I will add this document into my agent, and instead of prompting to ask to extract financial insights, to explain what I want from it, the structure, the format, what I'm interested in, let's look if I just say go. In a few seconds, it extracts the information in the format that I wanted. I have first the executive summary with the what, so what, now what storytelling technique. Then I have the detailed analysis showing me insights, opportunities, risks, decisions, recommendations. And you can see that I always get the exact quote which was used in the transcript. And then I have the CFO reframe. The CFO reframe is basically how I use the transcript, but just change it with my own words. And then I have a table showing me the visualization plan, having the topic, the type of charts we can use, the data we need, and the message. And at the end, that's one of my favorite parts. I anticipated the questions that could come in my next board meeting. Not only I extracted the insights from my last meeting, I am also preparing my next board review, and most of my narrative is already drafted and getting ready to put into my slides. You probably wonder, how did this agent built all of this if I just ask go? Let me show you my instructions. So I'm going to go over the agent and click edit. And you can see here the details of the agent with the name, the description, and the full instructions. So the instructions are really long because I spent time crafting it for the teams I'm training, for the members of the AI Finance Club. And this was hours of work with a lot of iterations. If you want to get the full step-by-step on how to build this agent in Copilot, but also in ChatGPT and Gemini, you can download the PDF by clicking in the link in the description below. I know all of you watching, you are still using Excel for your dashboards, or maybe you are lucky and you have a Power BI team, but they are still working on the dashboard since 6 months, the one that should do wonder. So what can you do today? Let's take this in our own hand and let's build a dashboard now in 5 minutes. Imagine you have your meeting tomorrow with all of the head of departments and you want to show them the overview on cost. Normally, you'll have an Excel file with 1 tab per department. We are going to change that and bring financial storytelling and a good dashboard thanks to AI. Let's go inside Gemini to build this dashboard by using the function Canvas. And where is this function? Well, click the Tools button and then you go in Canvas. And then we are going to prompt to ask Gemini to help us build this dashboard. Here is the prompt that we will use. We are going to explain that we have a cost center overview as file, which I will attach right now. Here you can see the cost center overview with the cost of the current year and the last year, all organized by department, so with first sales, then marketing, then IT, and the description. And we also have the headcounts. We are going to upload this in my secure environment because I'm using Gemini Pro. Then I explained to Gemini that I want to create a dashboard to help us see the overview by department and the overview by cost. We also want to make it dynamic and really important, we are going to use HTML. You'll see after why. To make it better in terms of design, I'm asking to make it with a design of blue and green gradient, but also modern. Let's make now Gemini do our dashboard. So now Gemini is opening a new window. This is the Canvas window where we are going to see the code going to be written by Gemini. So here you can see all of the code and later I will explain you how you can audit it, how you can change it. And after a few minutes, Gemini will be done with the code and then we are going to see the dashboard. Wow, now we got the dashboard made for us and you can see that you have the comparison with all the departments, the cost distribution with cost by category, the top 5 expense lines, and I wanted to be able to show this cost to each department. So let's imagine that I pull marketing, $282,300. So let's see if my dashboard actually works. I'm going to Excel and I will make just a pivot table to compare if we have the same results. So I'm adding a pivot table using the department, the amount current year and amount last year. And so what do we see for marketing? $282,300. Exactly like here. And to make sure, let's see finance. Finance $231,000. Finance here, $231,000. Our dashboard is working. Imagine how long you will have waited for your BI team to create this. And I'm sure this meeting will run more smoothly than normally, and all of the department head will be quite impressed with your work. This reminds me of what I say at the beginning of each of my courses. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man how to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget, robots are coming, so stay human.